হ্যালো ভিউয়ার্স, ওয়েলকাম ব্যাক টু আওয়ার চ্যানেল। সো গাইস, অ্যান্ড্রয়েড অ্যাপ্লিকেশন সিরিজের আরেকটি নতুন ভিডিওতে আমাদের সবাইকে স্বাগত জানাচ্ছি। সো গাইস, ইন দিস ভিডিও আই টেলিং ইউ হাউ টু রিমুভ ফ্রেন্ডস ফ্রম আওয়ার ফ্রেন্ড লিস্ট and how to remove friend request in our chat application. So guys, let's start the video. So guys, first I'll go open our user profile.xml, and here I will added this button called text view remove for removing friend request or friends. So guys, first I'll open our component area and I'll added this to I'll go on firebase database request on child added, and here I will added two list string. So guys, this is the list string 1 and 2. So guys, first one is request string for request database, and second one is requesting string for I requesting database. So guys, I'll added this component called add to list string. So guys, first I'll added this block and then I'll add child key to list string request string, and I'll added this code to on child remove also. So guys, this is the code add child key to list string request string. So guys, this is the code, and then I'll added the same code, this is the I requesting database. So guys, on child I'll added this the same block add child key to listing, and the list string is changed. So guys, list string is requesting string. Okay, I requesting database, and this is the on child remove, and here I will added the same add child key to listing requesting string. Okay, this is the code, and then I'll go on view area and I'll click on the text view remove and on click event. I'll open on click event, and here is the code. So guys, first I'll added if else block if text view remove get text equal to ... then nothing, and else number. I'll added number variable n1 to 0 and repeat length of request map. Then I'll added if else block if list map request map contained n1 key IDs. Then I'll added the if else block if get value at n1 key IDs list map request map equals to firebase or get UID, and else if get value at n1 key IDs of list map request map equals to activity get extra key user data. Then so guys, first I'll showing you this code. If get at n1 key IDs equals list request map equals firebase or get UID. Then if get value at n1 key request of list map request map equals to activity get extra key user data, then delete firebase database request delete key get at n1 of list string request string. Then I'll add two block delete at n1 of list string request string and delete at n1 of list request map. So guys, this is the code, and then else is nothing, and then this is the else called if get at value n1 key IDs of list map request map equals to firebase or UID. Else if get at n1 key IDs of request map equals to activity get extra key user data. Then if else block if get at n1 key request equals to request map if get at value at n1 key request of list map request map equals firebase or get UID. Then I'll added the same things firebase database request delete key get at n1 of list string request string, and then I'll added these two block delete at n1 of request string and delete at n1 of request map. So guys, these are the same code, just change this is the firebase auth get UID, id is equal to, and this is the id is equal to activity get extra key user data, and this is the request equals to activity get extra key user data, and this is the request equal to firebase auth get UID. So guys, this is the change, and then I'll added the in the repeat block number 1 increase 1, and then I'll added the same code, just change is n2 number variable n2, and map is requesting map, and this is the requesting string, delete at n2 of requesting string, and this is the requesting map. So this is the same code, and last in the repeat block, into the repeat block number 2 increase 1. So guys, this is the same code, just change is n2 and requesting map and the requesting string. So this is the code for removing user from friend list or remove friend request. So guys, let's test the app. So guys, first I'll run the application and then check it out.
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And